Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different to what I'm used to. We're actually going to be testing out legit checking apps and see if they can get this pair correct. This pair here is probably one of the best pairs of fakes that I own. It's the Yeezy Zebra, and these are pretty much spotless apart from one or two little details. So I'll be putting it through some legit checking apps and testing out which ones are the most accurate, most reliable, and how quickly they can do it. So the apps that we will be checking out today is the Legit app, Legit Check, Check, and obviously Legitmark, who I have worked with before, but for this video I'm not sponsored. It's just a complete fair test between the four apps, and we'll see which one comes out on top. So I will show you a screen recording throughout this entire video of me going through the process of each app and which one's the most simple to use, which one looks the best, and then probably the most importantly, which one gives the most accurate answer to these fake shoes, which I'm kind of hoping some of them get them wrong. We'll see what the apps say. So the first app we're going to try is the Legit app. So I'll open it up. You'll see it on the screen recording right here. We're just not really sure how to use any of these apps. I've never really used them before. So we'll open it up. We'll just click search, choose a category, sneakers, click Adidas. Oh wow, I probably should have just ticked Yeezy. Got to go back. Click Yeezy. Doesn't seem to have an option for a Yeezy 350 V2, so I'm assuming it's just the Yeezy 350. Apparently under 30 minutes, that's how much 2 tokens is. Apparently you get free 2 tokens to start with, so that's a good start. I guess we'll just do it. Oh man, I have to do so many photos here, so bear with me while I go through this. I will try and speed it up for you. They're asking for quite a lot of photos with this app in particular. So I would expect them to get the answer right with this amount of detail. Right, so I have to do the same for the left shoe as well. So I'll just speed up this process. It's pretty much the same, so there's no real need for me to show you everything. So for this app, it does ask for a total of 24 photos of the shoes, which is quite a lot. So I would be shocked if they got this pair wrong from that amount of detail. So we'll check that out. It does ask for like product source, the amount you paid for the shoes and different things like that. So we'll see what it takes into consideration. I'm going to put down the actual resale price of a pair of Zebras, probably about $400 US, because that's what people who are going to be using this app would do. And then I guess we'll just put it through confirm to pay. And I wonder how quick they will be. It says successfully done, so we'll see if that one goes through okay. So the next app that we are going to try is the Legit Check app. So we'll open it up and see how we can do this. Once again, never used this app before, so this is the first time for me. I'm guessing we click services, click authentication, $20. That's quite a lot for an authentication service just by sending in photos. So we'll try it out. Sneakers, I guess Adidas. Add to bag, I guess. This app's not as smooth as the other one is, so proceed to checkout. And then I guess I'll just type in my details and I guess they will email me the results. So I'll do that quickly and then I'll get back to you. I have to upload files as well. It says a maximum of 30 files, so I will just upload the exact same photos as the last app and we will see what they say. So the third app that I will be testing is Legitmark, and obviously if you have watched my videos before, I have worked with them a few times. However, I've done this in a completely new profile. They don't know it's me, so we'll be testing them out and seeing if they can be as reliable as they are when they're working with me. So we will see now when I put through the Yeezy Zebras. So really clean front face like always. Really like what Legitmark has done with their display. I guess I'll type in Zebra. No idea why I just deleted Yeezy, but here we go. There they come up. Size 9.5. Brand new. So they do offer 2 different types of authentication services. They do Legitmark Concierge, which is their previous one that they've already done. This is where they send you a tag to your personal address, which you can then attach to the shoes, which just means that that specific shoe has been legit checked and you can sell it based on that. But they now offer a brand new service called Legitmark Standard, and that's just like a classic authentication service where you take pictures of the shoes, send them in, and they do the authentication there and then. So we'll see how quickly they do that. They say they do it in 12 to 24 hours. Obviously the concierge one goes 48 to 72 because they have to allow time for you to get the tag. So we'll just do standard because I kind of want it to be quite quick and I don't want this video to be too long. So it asks for a number of photos. I'll just take these quickly. And then one of the boost close up. It didn't actually ask for that on the other two apps, so that is a difference right there. So we'll finish that. I will just do standard. So there is no discount for this, no promotion whatsoever, so I'm actually going to pay with this with my own money. So we'll check that out, and hopefully it goes through okay. So that's the request submitted straight away there. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, and we'll see what it says. So the last app that I will be testing is CheckCheck. However, we have actually run into a few issues with them. So obviously I'm in the UK, gone on the App Store, CheckCheck doesn't exist. They're just not on the UK App Store, and I don't know why. So I did actually send them a DM on Instagram asking them why they're not on it. They said they're having a few issues and they hope to be back on it soon. So unfortunately I can't test CheckCheck, so pretty disappointed about that. I would have liked to have been able to run these through the CheckCheck app and seen it if they'd got them accurate or not. So unfortunately CheckCheck kind of fails because I couldn't actually legit check these. So there we go. So we'll just be testing 3 apps today. I will put a screenshot of my DM just here, just so you can check it out. And this has happened before, so it seems to be a recurring problem with CheckCheck. So that is just something to take into consideration. So I guess all we have to do now is check back in I don't know how many minutes these are going to take. So I will check in, I guess, every 10 minutes and then refilm it when I've got the answers back. So I guess I'll be back in 2 seconds for you guys, and then we'll have the answers. So I am back now, and we have the answers from the apps. So the first app that we can check out is the Legit app, and here we can see that the Yeezy did not pass. They actually got it correct, so it does say replica, and it was completed in approximately 7 minutes. So that is pretty quick for them. They said under 30 minutes, so 7 minutes is pretty fast. Pretty impressed by that. They got that correct. We'll have to check what the other apps are saying. So the next app that we're checking out is the Legit Check app, they said, and this is not going to be good for them because these actually passed and they sent me an email. So I will put up a screenshot of the email right here, and you can see that they said these were authentic. So it looks like some fakes are getting through them, so do be careful of that. Obviously, we couldn't get the answer from CheckCheck because I couldn't even submit the shoes. So the final one is Legitmark. So we'll check back if they have got the correct answer. And if I show you the screen recording here, we can see that these didn't pass in Legitmark either. So they had 2 authenticators for this shoe, and you can see that they both marked it as fake. You can even see the images that I provided, and then you can click actually on the authenticator that did the shoe and see their reasons for the shoe being fake. So if we check this, Daniel B, the box label spacing is off, number of letters, and the tag of the font style and letters or numbers was also off. So they do go into quite a bit of detail of why these shoes are fake. So this was hopefully a little bit of a helpful video for you guys if you are trying to get your sneakers authenticated by service or different things like that. There are some services out there that are pretty accurate, as I've shown you in this video. There was 2 apps here that worked out pretty well. However, that one app didn't pass these shoes, which is quite worrying. So there are fakes that do get through authentication apps, so please be careful and use the correct ones. This video is not sponsored in any way, as hopefully I've shown you, it's given you a pretty fair result of all of the apps. It's just to help you check them out. So use whichever one you want, makes no difference to me. But thanks very much for watching. I hope this video has helped. Please subscribe, like, do all that. It does help the channel grow. And if you are looking to buy quite an expensive shoe, please try and get it authenticated. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has helped you. I hope it's given light to some of the authentication apps that are out there and what you need to do if you are trying to authenticate a pair of shoes. But yeah, please subscribe, like, do all that. It helps me do videos just like this. But thank you, and I hope you have a great day.